Hi everyone, this is Nikki Parks. This is my personal introduction page here. I am a proud mother of 3 boys. I have been married for 20 years. We have a very busy household. They are a bunch of gymnasts, and I'm their biggest fan. That's my Peekapoo. He is such a sweet, fluffy love in our family. Yep, it's a busy household, but it's a good one. I am an ESOL teacher in a K-5 elementary building in Derby School District in Kansas. This is my 20th year of teaching at the elementary level. I work primarily with Spanish-speaking students. They pick up English very quickly. It is very impressive. Other personal shares of mine. This is only my second class at Fort Hays State University. I'm glad to have taken technology as my first class. I think it will be very helpful with the rest of the assignments to come. I also enjoy exercising, cooking, walking my dog, playing board games, and definitely binge watching my Netflix shows. On to our assignment. The article was very informative. I think it was a good way to start this leadership class. I did agree with the mindsets that we read about in the article. Definitely all students can learn, all at different rates, of course. Teacher collaboration versus isolation is very vital to a thriving school community. You can pick up on everyone's strengths as you work together in a team, of course. And happiness is a choice. It's important to have a positive outlook on things as you go through the challenges that education brings us in our schools today. Dispositions, yes, I agree with all 5 dispositions. As I read the details of each, I compared reputable leaders I know personally. They do ring true to these dispositions as qualities a successful leader should strive for. I did find that the sense of humor does make everything better, especially because we have so many challenges in our school lives. The practices, the 3 practices of strong leadership, I agreed to all of those. Definitely a principal or school leaders need to have courage to say no and remain diligent to the true important objectives that we need to be striving for and keeping those things always at the forefront of our decisions. Principles of leadership 1 through 4. I am quite agreeable lately. These principles are vital to a healthy, happy school environment. Professional relationships should be built on mutual respect for one another. I do agree with all 4 of these first principles of leadership. The following 4 principles of leadership I also agreed with. I do find that we need to be sure we are keeping personal relationships at the forefront as well. High ethical standards are always important. Being sure we are sensitive to each other and understanding of each other's differences is a very important thing in the workplace as well. My personal thoughts on mindsets. I found the mindsets for successful principals to be quite favorable and truly ideal. Thankfully, my current principal does fit right in with these, making my life in school a very pleasant one. My personal thoughts on dispositions. I also agreed with these. Each component is equally important and holds a substantial relevance in our school community. And finally, personal thoughts on practices. The 3 practices highlighted in the article are vital to running a healthy, happy, and progressing school environment. I also highlighted that the conversations we hold with each other are very important and do make an impact. Even the minor ones are very important to how a school can thrive and how we can continue to serve our students. Thank you.